Oppo has been consistently increasing the number of phones in its A-series lineup worldwide, but in India, the brand doesn't often release such phones. However, the brand has launched its second A-series device in India this year, which is the 4G version of the first Oppo A78 5G that was introduced in India earlier this year. At a price of $219, we'll review the Oppo A78 to determine if it's a valuable option. The handset is powered by a Snapdragon 680 SoC from Qualcomm paired with 8 GB of RAM, and it runs on ColorOS 13.1 out of the box. The Oppo A78 is available in two colorways in India. Support for 67W SuperVOOC charging. Oppo A78 specifications. Operating system: Android 12, ColorOS 13. Chipset: MediaTek MT6833 Dimensity 700. GPU: Mali G57MC2. Display type: IPS LCD, 90 Hz, 480 nits. Display size: 6.56 inches. Pixel density: 396 ppi. Screen resolution: 720 x 1612 pixels. Screen protection: Panda Glass. Base memory: internal base, starting with a 128 GB. Camera: 50 MP primary camera f1.8, 2 MP depth camera f2.4. Video: 1080p 30 fps. Front camera: 8 MP primary camera f2.0. Video: 1080p 30 fps. Wi-Fi: 802.11. Bluetooth: 5.3. USB: Type-C 2.0. Sensors: fingerprint, side-mounted, accelerometer, proximity. Battery type: lithium polymer battery, 5000 mAh. Charging: 33W wired. Price: expected price starts at $219,